That guy's laughing. So this is probably the side. This is probably the side of Florida that you guys see online. I'm going to show you a side that you don't see online. So that's the side that you'll see on social media. Show you guys right now the side of Florida that they're not showing you on TV. And I get that, like, this is happens everywhere, right? But for the cost of living in the current state that I'm in, it is gonna be at pandemic levels. If you make $100K a year, you are barely getting by. Barely. Unless you're completely on the Dave Ramsey schedule. No bills, no debt. You ride a fucking skateboard or bike everywhere. I mean, this is the reality of the current situation that we live in, and it's especially bad where I'm at right now. And I don't know if I want to continue to chase weather. Basically, I don't really go to the ocean. I don't give a shit about any of that stuff. I don't care about whatever music, you know, whatever you want to call it. I don't care. I care about riding my motorcycle and making you guys happy, and that's what I care about. And I'm willing to try something else to get it figured out. Let's go to the local Wally World here. Show you guys the real side of Florida. People begging for money. This is real Florida. Let's just wear a bra to fucking Walmart. No big deal. The amount of homeless people here, it's almost at like a zombie, it's apocalyptic. This is my short little tour of the real side of Florida, so you can all understand what it's like here. I gotta hurry up. I gotta go, you guys. See that up there? I'm gonna get dumped on. I gotta go. We gotta go, boys.